Hello everyone, welcome to the coordinate. In the previous video, we have successfully created the routes. Now in this video, I am going to show you how to perform the CUD operation for users. So we have all set. Now open the Postman, then we can start the application to terminal npm run dev. Now application is started. Let me check first for our roles is get roles is coming. That means our service is running successfully. Now we can get the roles users, so we just copy paste this, then users. Now click get. Because we don't have any user, so it will give you this, that fine. Now we have to create the users. So body, now JSON. Now we have to choose that email, then password, role ID. So role ID, we can take it from any role ID from the roles. So just copy any role ID and paste here. Because make sure the role is exist. Then username codes. All set ready. And then we'll go to the change the method to post. Now click on the send button. So we got the internal server message. So let us check what's going on, how to debug, or you can find out where is the issue. So go to the user controller, then we can check, okay, where application pass from the user controller to user services. So we can just write the log to check whether the is correct or not. So we can write the console dot log creating user. Now just I'm going to here, then I run write one more log console dot log creating user in services. Now we can again hit the send button and check the log. So here, as you can see, creating user is getting, but creating user in the services we are not getting. So we have to find there is some issue between the user user controller and the services. So let me check. Go to the user controller. So we can find the issue because we have using this method. If you using this in the user services, then it will not bind your controller. So what have to do, we have to use the arrow function as we use in the roles. So we have to modify here, just use the create, then we can use the arrow function. Now all set. Let's try one more time. We can click on send button. Now as you can see, it working fine. So in the same way, I have to change all the method for update also. We can use the arrow function for update. Same for get, already have the arrow functions. Get user already have, delete already have. Now that's all fine. If you don't have, so you can make all the functions. Now we can, in the same way, we can use the get. We can create one more user, so you can delete also. Codeness C sharp. Then we can give another role ID, copy, and then we can paste here. Then we can use the name of C sharp. Now click on the send button. As you can say, new user created. Now we can use the, go to the get and find get. We can find the issue in the get user. Now go to the get user and check again what is the issue. Get users. So it's the same as in this, but initially it worked fine. Let's me check with get. Okay, so we have to find in the same way we have to debug again. So what is the issue? So we can just write the console log if in case fetching users. Then we can go to here. Then we can write console dot log fetching user in the services. Now we can again it not require this one in case of copy. Then we paste here. Then just click send. Okay, now it getting the fetching in the services, fetching in the services also. So now it will work from the user and services. There is some problem in the repository. So we can go to the repository here, go to the repository, go to implementation here. Okay, the problem is that we have bind the user with the roles. So we have to now we include the user with the role because the reason of this because we have user entity we have loaded this join. Now we can try again. Now send. Yeah, as you can see it's working. It give you the user. Now same for get user by id. We just click here and then send. It also gives the error. Now the same issue. So what should I do? We can go to the user repository, then copy this and go to the paste here. Now test again. It's the same thing. User dot id. Then the relation. Correct. Now we can. No. Then get user by id. Then we can check again. It gives the internal error. We have to check again where this is the correct one. Now we can write the this console dot log fetching user by id. Now we can hit again it's the send button. Now we can check it fetching or not. Here we got some error. Mm, by name. Fine. Data shows initialized. We can again hit run. Go to terminals, run, then npm run day. Now just hit the send button. So it will not come here. So we have to identify the issue. Where is the issue? Then again we have to go to the user controller from the start. Then we can write the code here. Console.log fetching user. Then we can go to the get user by id here. Then we can use the console.log. Then if it is coming also here, then we can go to the implementation. Go to the implementation. Now here, then now we can all set. Just click on the hit button. Now we can check where is the fetching user it going, but it not go to the services. So there is a problem between the services. So we can go to the roles user controller. Here we can find the issue because it's not the this method. And then we can now it get the it give you the user. So we have solved the problem. We Sometimes we have to copy paste, so this why it will get the issue, but now we can solve all the issue. Now let's last one we can test delete. So I can delete this, again give the internal server error. So we can also fix this, control X, same way. Now we can delete, send, send, it will return true. This mean now you can check with again all user get. Now it's working fine. It have only the single user. So in this video I have successfully show you the how to perform the cut operation in the user. We face some error, we can resolve that those errors and move forward. So we have completed the create operation of the user. In the next video I want to show you how to handle the errors, like if the required field username is required, the email is required, as some we have set the unique email address. So we can handle in the next video. So thank you for watching this video.